As of now, we had seen how we can use different sketch tools, sketch entities to create a sketch. And now we are going to use all those commands, dimensions, relations, and we are going to do a sample exercise as shown in this slide. But I would like to give you the steps involved in creating this before we go into this software. At first, you need to create the sketch using sketch entities, and you can trim it using sketch tool, and you have to apply geometric relations, and finally you have to go and apply dimensions. And let's see how we can create the sketch in SolidWorks. I'll open SolidWorks. I'll choose a plane from here and I'll use sketch tool. The first task is I would like to create the center, which is the middle circle, which is of 50 mm diameter. And next I would like to create one more circle over here, that is just having a size of 70 mm diameter. This is 50 and 70. And next I will create one more circle over here, and this should have a dimension of one is having diameter 10, and there is a one more circle here which is having a diameter of 30. And once I complete this, I would like to create a line segment, that is center axis. Go to center line, I'll create from here to here, and one more center line I have to draw it. I'll go and say from here to here I have to choose. Now you can see I was retrieving the center line by using a small pop-up window. How we can retrieve this? By pressing shortcut yes in the keyboard. And now I'll go and choose once again the line. I'll draw here, and I will say this and this point about this axis should be symmetric, and I will mirror this using mirror tool. And once I complete this, we need to do dimension between these two lines, and I will say this is 75, and this length should be 25. And now we need to create line segments. I'll go and say line has to be created from here to here, and once again other line has to be created from here to here, and next you can mirror this line segment exactly about this axis, and we can trim the unwanted entities. Before that, what I will do, I will go and say, okay, let's complete this. Let us trim this. I'll go and say trim this this two corners. Okay, I'll go and say power trim. Here I want to use this area and this, and once again all this sketch entities I need to trim, and also this area. And we can make this and this to be vertical, and this and this to be vertical. And we need to create line segments starting from here up to here, that is it should be tangent. So I can go and say from here tangent snap, and once again line segment from here to here. We need to get tangent snap exactly, we got it. And next I have to do dimension between these two center points, saying it should be 75. And next you can trim this using power trim once again, these two entities, and we have to say this and this should be, yeah, it is tangent almost right now. Now you can see we have done this diameter, but we need that should be in a radius. Okay, and 50, it's okay, correct. And this has to be, once again it should be in the radius. But we need to understand there is a the sketch is not fully defined. So how we can understand this sketch is defined fully or not? It shows some lines are in blue and some are in black. We need to right now make this fully defined. So what I will do, I will check these 2 points is vertical, correct, and I need to make these 2 line segment symmetric, correct. But this line segment I have to make sure this line segment and this line segment about this, it's symmetric. Yes. Now if I do these 2, then my sketch is conforming, it is fully defined. Now you can see it looks black in color. Now this is fully defined which is black in color, and it is parametrically controlled, and now you can use for feature creation. This is all about sketching process involved in SolidWorks for creating 2D sketches required for part modeling. And once you complete this, definitely you need to complete the 4 exercises given in your SolidWorks project workbook, and that should be within the stipulated duration. And once you complete this, please evaluate with your seniors or with the assistant from your other instructors to complete this task. Thank you.